Good day everyone, happy new year to you. This video is for people looking to invest in high yield and low risk money market fund in Nigeria. We all know money market fund interest rate changes daily, so I tracked all rates across board on the 29th of last month December to present to you the best performing MMF in terms of high interest rate last month. Now this information is useful to you if you're looking to shop around for high yield money market fund with the intention to grow your money while you sleep. Keep in mind, all these asset management firms in my list are all safe to invest in because they are all SEC approved. And lastly, if you're so curious to know why some MMF pay high interest and some pay low interest, I have a video where I expose the money market secrets for you to know what goes on behind the scene. The video is linked in the description box of this video. Go watch it after you're done watching this video. So here are the highest paying MMF you should invest in this new month. But first, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss my next monthly MMF compilation list. Number 5, Meristem Money Market Fund, 18.35%. Number 4, Cardinal Stone Money Market Fund, 18.57%. Number 3, Trust Bank Money Market Fund, 19.62%. Number 2, Zcrest Money Market Fund, 19.92%. Finally, number 1, First Life Farm Money Market Fund, 20.17%. Now, it's important to note that the lowest MMF rate for last month was AXA Mansard Money Market Fund at 8.20%. Subscribe to this channel for my monthly MMF compilation list. If you're also interested in stock recommendation, check my YouTube playlist for this week's stock recommendation. Have a nice day.